How to import products onto your POS software. So to be able to do that, you need to first of all come to the product section and then you tap on import product. So this interface will pop up for you to read the necessary info. So we have the ones that are required and then the ones that are optional. So after reading all the instruction, you just need to come up and then tap on the download template to add the details on an Excel sheet. So you just download the template and then you come and add the details. So after opening it, this is what you see, and then you enable editing. So you just need to add the product details. So the name of the product is required. So the product's name is Bell Orange. And then if you have the brand, you add a brand as well. If not, you leave that part because it's optional. And then you have to add the unit because it's required. If you have the categories, you can add the categories as well. If not, you leave that part because they are optional. The SKU will be generated for you, so you don't need to fill that part. Then we have the barcode type. You can add it or you leave that part as well because they are optional. Then if you want to manage your stock, you choose one. If not, you just add zero. Then you add the alert quantity. So you can add the expiry date. If not, you can leave that part as well. If you want to add an applicable tax to you, add it as well. We have the selling price tax type, which is required. So you need to add it if the tax are inclusive or exclusive. So with our product, the tax is inclusive. And if it's a single product or a variable, you just need to add that as well. Our product is a single product. If it's a variable, you need to fill in these spaces. So the variation name and then the variation value. You need to add the purchasing price, which is including tax. Our own is including tax, so we can add it. If it's excluding tax, so you can add it as well. Then you need to add the selling price and then your opening stock. The location, expiry date, and the rest two are optional. So you can choose to add those details or not. Then after that, you just go back and then save this template. And then you can as well go back and then import the template. So you tap on choose file to choose the file and then you submit it. So when you submit it, automatically the file will be imported onto your software. So you just need to go to your list products and then you search for the product that you just added. So Bell Orange. This is the product that we just added onto the system. So product name, the location, unit price, selling price, the current stock, and then the product type. So we have an action button for you to view the history of the product. So the details too of the product will be shown here for you. So the product name, the prices, and then the details. You can print it as well to keep. We also have the edit button, so you can edit it and then make some changes of the product. You can as well delete a product. So if you want to delete it, you can delete it as well. We have add or edit opening stock. So if you want to change the 100 pieces that you just added, you can just do that and then tap on save. You can as well add it. So the one I did was edit. you can add. So you tap on the add button on here to add another opening stock. Then you need to always add your dates, and then the total will be generated on here for you. We also have the product history. So if the product can be found in all of your branches, if you have multiple branches, you can just search for the branch to see how the product is going in that particular branch. So you see the details of the product here: total sold, adjustments, purchase return, and then the quantity and all of that. You can as well add or edit the selling price group. So if you want to add the selling price charges to this product, you can do that as well. And then you save. You can print label for the product. So if the product doesn't have a label, you can just print a label. So this is how to import a product onto the POS.